Hello students, the question is from the DMGT. The question is, let G bar be the complement of a simple undirected graph G, and if the number of edges in G and G bar are 20 and 25 respectively, then number of vertices in G is. Okay, so usually when I say there is a complement of a graph G, say G, like I negation G, or in the question it is given as G bar, right? So that will be same graph. Okay, it has the same vertex set as in G, with property that two vertices are adjacent in G bar if and only if they are not adjacent in G. Okay, so like if we are combining two graphs, because they have given two graphs, right, G and G bar, where the vertices are 20 and number of edges are 20 and 25. For G it is 20 and for G bar it is 25. So if we combine a graph with n vertices and its complement, it will give a complete graph with n vertices. Okay, so what will be the number of edges in a complete graph then? So number of edges of complete graph, it will be n into n minus 1 by 2, so it will be 20 plus 25. Okay, so this, therefore that n will be, so it will be what, 55 into 2, so it will be 10. Okay, so n will come as 10, so the answer will be A. Thank you.